Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans as a beginner. First, focus on building your village by strategically placing resource collectors and defensive structures. Next, train a variety of troops in your barracks to prepare for battles against other players. Joining a clan is highly recommended for social interaction, troop donations, and participating in exciting clan wars. Remember to upgrade your town hall to unlock new buildings and powerful units, advancing your game. Managing your resources is crucial for progress. Gold and elixir are your primary currencies, collected from mines and collectors, and used for almost all upgrades. Dark elixir, a more rare resource, powers your mighty heroes and elite troops. Always protect your valuable resources by building strong walls and strategically placing defensive structures around your storage units. Prioritize upgrading your storage capacity early on to hold more loot and avoid losing it to attackers. Successful attacking requires strategy. Always scout enemy bases thoroughly to find weak points in their defenses and locate their valuable resources. Deploy a balanced army, combining resilient tanks to absorb damage, powerful damage dealers to destroy structures, and support troops for healing or clearing. Utilize spells wisely to clear out troublesome defenses or enhance your troops' abilities. Your goal should be to achieve at least 1 star to secure loot and earn trophies, advancing your rank. A strong defense is vital to protect your hard-earned resources and trophies. Always place your town hall centrally within your base, safeguarding it with multiple layers of defensive structures. Prioritize upgrading your cannons, archer towers, and mortars to increase their damage output. Strategically use walls to funnel enemy troops into areas where your defenses can inflict maximum damage. Finally, ensure your clan castle is always filled with defensive troops, providing an excellent surprise for attackers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.